Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. So students, myself your computer and GK teachers from LPM Public School which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So students, from few days we are doing the revision of the GK topics, but today I am going to forward the next topic. Okay, so we will study the next topic. Now revision is not there, so please just go through on it, all of you. See here, today we will do the topic 48, that is motor man, and topic 50, that is units of measurement. Units of measurement. So let's start topic 48, motor man. See here, in this given below is some information related to the person who made efforts to improve cars. मीन्स नीचे कुछ पर्सन्स के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है जिन्होंने कार को जितना हो सके उन्होंने कार्स बनाने में एक से एक इम्प्रूवमेंट दी है. सो वी हैव टू गेस एंड आइडेंटिफाई द नेम ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट वन इज he was the engineering partner of Rolls-Royce. He once said there is no such thing as good enough. There is no such thing as good enough. Identify who was he. Can you identify? So look at the picture, read the description, and we have to unstaple the letters to find their names. Okay, see here, this is the unstable words, so we have to find out the name of that particular man. He was the engineering partner of Rolls-Royce. ये पर्सन जो है वो रॉल्स रॉयस का इंजीनियरिंग पार्टनर है. ही once said, जिसने एक बार कहा था कि there is no such things as good enough. So can you guess who was he? Yes, he was Henry Royce. Henry Royce. Spelling is HenryRoyce. Okay, I repeat again, HenryRoyce. Henry Royce. Okay, Henry Royce was the engineering partner of Rolls-Royce. Now come to the next, that is second one. He set up his own company in Britain after working for the car builders Wolseley. Okay, ये वो पर्सन है जिसने ब्रिटेन में अपनी खुद की कंपनी सेटअप की थी. ओके, उसने आफ्टर वर्किंग फॉर द कार बिल्डर्स होलसेल, इसके मतलब कार बिल्डर्स होलसेल के साथ में काम करने के बाद इन्होंने अपनी खुद की कंपनी ब्रिटेन में सेटअप की. कैन यू गेस हु वाज ही? क्या बता सकते हैं कि ये कौन है? सी हियर, अनस्टेबल वर्ड्स आर गिवन हियर. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस वी विल राइट द नेम. Herbert Alston. Who is he? He was a Herbert Alston who set up his own company in Britain. Spelling is Herbert Herbert Austin. Herbert Austin. Now come to the next, that is third one. He found Toyota car in Japan. His dreams was to see many cars on the street of Japan as on those of America. Okay, I repeat again the question. He founded Toyota cars in Japan. His dream was to see as many cars on the street of Japan as on those of America. ये वो पर्सन है जिन्होंने जापान में टोयोटा कार्स को फाउंड किया और ये चाहते थे कि हम वहाँ के उनके जापान के स्टेट में भी ऐसी इतनी सारी कार दिखे जैसे कि अमेरिका में दिखाई देती है. कैन यू गेस हु वाज ही? ओके, दिस इज द अनस्टेबल वर्ड्स and the name is Kichiro Toyoda. Okay, Kichiro Toyoda. Spelling is Kichiro. I repeat again, Kichiro. Kichiro Toyoda. Toyado. Toyado. So Kichiro Toyoda was founded Toyota Cars in Japan. Now come to the next, that is fourth one. Next one is, he was a talented American mechanic. He was a talented American mechanic. He revolutionized the motor industry by introducing assembly line production. I repeat the question. He was a talented American mechanic. He revolutionized the motor industry by introducing assembly line productions. Means ये एक काफ़ी टैलेंटेड अमेरिकन मैकेनिक रह चुके हैं जिन्होंने मोटर इंडस्ट्री में अच्छा खासा डेवलपमेंट किया था, इम्प्रूवमेंट्स की थी उनके किसमें, असेंबली लाइन प्रोडक्शन में, मोटर्स प्रोडक्शन में. कैन यू गेस हु वाज ही? क्या बता सकते हैं कि ये कौन थे? यस, दिस इज द अनस्क्रेबल्ड वर्ड्स. द नेम इज हेनरी फोर्ड. द नेम इज हेनरी फोर्ड फॉर द पर्सन. स्पेलिंग वाज HENRY. हेनरी FORD. Ford. Henry Ford was a talented American mechanic. Okay, Henry Ford was a talented American mechanic who revolutionized the motor industries by introducing assembly line production. Now come to the next one, that is, he designed cars in Britain. He designed cars in Britain from 1896. Okay, he designed cars in Britain from 1896. His key invention included a semi-automatic gearbox. Okay, ये ऐसे पर्सन थे जिन्होंने ब्रिटेन में 1896 से कार्स डिज़ाइन की थी और उनका की इन्वेंशन ये था कि उन्होंने सेमी ऑटोमेटिक गियर बॉक्स बनाया था. सो कैन यू गेस हु वॉज ही? क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि ये कौन है? यस, द नेम ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन इज फ्रेडरिक लॉन्चेस्टर. द नेम ऑफ दैट पर्सन इज फ्रेडरिक लॉन्चेस्टर. स्पेलिंग इज FREDERICK. Okay, FREDERICK. Frederick. And Lanchester, LANCHESTER. Lanchester. So Frederick Lanchester was designed car in Britain from 1896. Now come to the next one, that is last one. He was an Italian engineer. He built the classic type 35 racing cars as well as beautiful touring models. Means ये ऐसे पर्सन थे जो क्या थे, एक इटालियन इंजीनियर थे और इन्होंने 35 रेसिंग कार्स बिल्ड की थी और उसके साथ में बहुत ही सुंदर ब्यूटीफुल टूरिंग मॉडल्स भी बनाए थे. कैन यू गेस हु वाज ही? क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि ये कौन है? यस, द नेम ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन इज, दिस इज द अनस्क्रेबल्ड वर्ड्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस हियर, ETTORE. Ettore Bugatti. Spelling is ETTORE. Ettore and BUGATTI. Bugatti. So Ettore Bugatti was an Italian engineer who built the classic type 35 racing cars as well as beautiful touring models. So by this we have completed topic 48. Now come to the topic 50. In topic 50 we have to do units of measurement. Units of measurement. See here. In this we have to take the correct answers. For each and every question there are 3 options are given here. We have to choose the correct answer. So let's start. First one is measurement of quantity of liquid. Measurement of quantity of liquid. So measurement of quantity of liquid, there are 3 options: coil, micron, liter. Coil, micron, liter. Okay. So let's start. The correct answer is C, liter. The correct answer is C, liter. Spelling is L-I-T-R-E, liter. Okay. Now come to the next. That is second one. About 100 fathoms or 60 feet. About 100 fathoms or 60 feet. So option is cable, pi, point. Cable, pi, point. Can you guess 100 fathoms और 60 feet में कौन सा किसका मेजरमेंट होता है? Yes, it is cable. Answer is A. Option A, cable. Spelling is C-A-B-L-E. Cable. Now come to the next. That is third one. Used for weighing precious stone. Used for weighing previous stones. Okay. So in that, see 3 options are there: parsec, carat, and Rowan gun. Okay. Rowan gun. So can you guess what is the correct answer? So correct answer is option C. Option C, carat. So I repeat again. Used for weighing precious stones. मीन्स प्रीसियस स्टोन्स का वेट करने के लिए हम किसका यूज़ करते हैं? पार्सेक्स, कैरेट्स और रोयन गन. तो वी आर यूजिंग कैरेट्स. स्पेलिंग इज CARAT, कैरेट. ओके. वी वेट ऑन कैरेट for the used carrot for weighing previous stones. Now come to the next. That is fourth one. Used for measuring cables and depth of water. Used for measuring cables and depth of water. मीन्स हम केबल्स या फिर वाटर्स की डेप्थ को मेज़र करने के लिए कौन से इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स का, कौन से यूनिट का यूज़ करते हैं? सो वी हैव 3 ऑप्शंस: फैथम, लीग, हर्ट्ज. ओके. फैथम, लीग एंड हर्ट्ज. So correct answer is option A, that is fathom. Spelling is FATHOM. Fathom. Now come to the next. That is fifth one. Used for measuring the speed of ship. Used for measuring the speed of ships. Can you? So there are 3 options: light year, knot, gross. Light year, knot and gross. So can you guess which unit we are used for measuring the speed of ship? Yes, it is option B, knot. Spelling is KNOT. Spelling is KNOT. Knot. By this, now come to the next. That is 6th one. An area of 430,000 square meter. An area of 430,000 square feet. Okay. Can you guess an area of 430,000 square feet should be measured by which unit? We have 3 options are given here: acre, freight ton, cubit. Acre, freight ton, cubit. So correct answer is option A, acre. Spelling is CRACRE. Spelling is ACRA. Accurate. Now come to the next, that is seventh one. A large bundle of goods weighing 500 pounds. A large bundle of goods weighing 500 pounds. So can you guess? Yes. Here three options are given here. BTO, Bell, Astronomic. BTO, Bell, Astronomic. So correct answer is option C. Correct answer is option C. Astronomic. Astronomic. Spelling is ASTRONOMIC. Okay. I repeat again. ASTROMIC. ALUNIT. So astronomical unit. Astronomical unit. Now come to the next, that is eighth one. Unit of relative loudness. Unit of relative loudness. We have three options. See here, first one is ampere, acre, then decibel. Ampere, acre, decibel. So these three options are there. The correct answer is option C, that is decibel. Spelling is DECIBEL. I repeat again, DECIBEL. Decibel. So decibel unit is used to measure the unit of relative loudness. Okay, now come to the next, that is ninth one. Unit for measuring weight. Unit for measuring weight. So we have three options: gallon, kilos, milligram. Gallon, kilos, milligram. So can you guess which unit is used for measuring weight? Yes, it is A. Option A, gallon. Spelling is GALLON. 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 Now come to the next, that is 10th one. Unit for measuring density. Unit for measuring density. Can you guess which unit should be used for measuring the density? We have three options: A, B and C. So correct option is B1, that is kilogram meter cube. Kilogram meter cube. Okay. So this unit is used for measuring density. Now come to the next, that is 11th one. Unit for measuring energy. Unit for measuring energy. So for this we have three options: hours, meter, joule. Hours, meter, joule. So correct answer is option C, that is joule. Spelling is JOULE. JOULE. Joule unit is used for measuring energy. Next one, that is 12th one. Unit for measuring temperature. Unit for measuring temperature. So option is Celsius, watt, meter. Celsius, watt, meter. Can you guess which unit is used for measuring temperature? The correct answer is option A, that is Celsius. Celsius. Spelling is CELSIUS. Celsius. Okay, CELSIUS. Celsius. So Celsius unit is used for measuring temperature. Now come to the next, that is 13th one. Unit for measuring pressure. Unit for measuring pressure. Option is Faraday, Joule, Pascal. We have three options. The correct answer is C, pascals. So Pascal unit is used for measuring pressure. Spelling is Pascal. 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 Okay, now come to the next one, that is last one, 14th. Unit for measuring acceleration. Unit for measuring acceleration. We have three options: minute per second, minute per second square, or minute second cube. So the correct option is B. The correct option is B. Option B is unit is used for measuring acceleration. Option B, unit is used for measuring acceleration. So students, by this we have completed the explanation of topic 48 and 50. So please go through on it and complete your books and write it down in your fair copy, these two topics. Write it down, these two topics, in your fair copy. Okay, bye. We will meet you in the next video with the next topic.